Meaning of dispensable.
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 Dispensable. The term dispensable refers to something that is not essential or necessary, and therefore can be done away with or eliminated without negative consequences. This word is often used to describe things that are considered expendable or replaceable, such as certain job positions, resources, or even people. It suggests that the thing in question is not valuable or important enough to justify the cost, effort, or resources required to keep it. Essentially, something that is deemed dispensable is seen as being optional or non-essential.